I think only three of you will not get my mail. One is Auxilia Preeti, Anthony Frida, and Rajesh, Praveen Rajesh. Only three of you having some issues with the Gmail ID. I found out that. So we'll rectify it. We'll connect all those information through email. Okay. Have a habit of checking your email, and whenever you come to the Google Meet for this online session, log out your personal email ID. So you can log in your college email ID, so you'll directly connect into it. And majority of the communication will be done through email regarding your placements, regarding the examination. All those things will be in email. So get adjust to that. Make sure you are fall in line. So don't miss out any opportunities. Okay. Okay. A common feedback from my side regarding the examination. Majority of you need to improvise. Okay. In terms of preparing for the examination, in terms of approach an examination. I don't know how you people prepared during the exam, and the majority of you didn't prepare at all. That is only one case. And I told you specifically, don't copy anything from internet. It is very visible that you people copy from internet. Okay. So I evaluated all your I mean all your Viva and the descriptive and MCQs. Whatever the MCQs you got it on the slot, you will get all the full marks. And for descriptive, I gone through each and every one uh, who responded to the questions, and I made sure everything goes fine, and I evaluated it. If anything to be published, surely I will publish to you. If you have any uh, discrimination you feel it happened to you, you can just let me know. I will correct it and give it to you. So that's all from my side. I need majority of you to adopt to the situation. Okay, so I don't know how far we are going to extend this online classes, online exams. You prepare, start preparing. The preparation is very lacking. Even very basic and the fundamental concepts we still get to learn. Very important questions we are unable to find it. In today's session I am going to give you few clarifications. Okay, during the Viva I found out majority of you are not clear enough with the topics we discuss. That is the sad part when I see. Okay, so we will start from unit 2. Okay, unit 2 I wanted to clarify you few things. Okay, in uh, is the board is visible for all? Board is visible for all?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay, fine. So we will just make sure you have a pen and paper with you. I will differentiate certain topics. There is some confusion with you people. So that's why I'm making use of this. I thought of using Jamboard, but it is not convenient for me to use mouses. So I just made arrangement of this. Okay. In unit 2, what we discussed, can anyone tell? In unit 2, what we discussed?
Buying behavior.
Yes, in unit 2, we discussed about buying behavior. Okay. Okay. So in unit 2, we discuss about buying behavior. Fine. I think it is coming ulta. Is it?
Yes. No, sir. No,
Oh,
sir. Correct, sir.
correct. Is it coming correct, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Buying
Okay.
behavior.
Okay. So we discuss about buying behavior. Okay. Fine. In buying behavior or customer behavior, both are same. Have it in mind. Buying behavior or customer behavior, both are same. Okay, if I ask what is buying behavior or customer behavior, you have to answer the same thing. The study which is done on customer regarding their purchase activity. Simple. See, buying behavior, customer behavior is related with their purchase activity. In simple English term, if you go little technical, this is considered to be purchase decision. Simple. If someone asks what is buying behavior, it is a study of purchase activity or purchase decision by a customer or a person. Simple definition. Okay, this is what I expect. Am I clear? You people getting the point, right? Okay. So in buying behavior, we discuss certain things. For example, buying motives. We studied, right? Buying motives we studied, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So in this unit we studied about buying motives and stimuli. We studied about stimuli, okay, and we studied about what are things we studied. What else we discussed?
Buyer's black box.
Buying
Bias
model.
black. Buying model, yes. Buying model, yes, correct. So these are the three things we discuss mainly. Okay, buying motives, stimuli, buying model. These are the three topics. Again, anything can be asked. Okay, buying motive is very simple. It is something that pushes you to buy. That is a buying motive. If you have any need and want, surely you will be going for a buying. Stimuli is something that pushes you to buy, something that pushes you to buy. This is two difference. Okay, buying motive is different. When you have need and want, surely you will go for buying a product. What is stimuli? The need and want which related to pushing yourself. For example, one second, there is some noise, right? Yeah, okay. So the push is something, but maybe advertisement, maybe offer, maybe you got more money, or buying ability. We tell us that a buying ability. These are called as to be stimuli. Okay, advertisement, offer, buying ability. These are considered to be, what is it? Stimuli, or things that push you to buy a product. If someone asks what is stimuli in buying behavior, if any question appears, due to some external or internal factor, that is buying motive. If someone is pushed to buy certain product, is known as stimuli. This is the simple answer. Okay, these are the topics we discussed, and we discussed about buying model. Okay, in buying model you got confused. That also I could identify in the viva and as well as in the description examination. Okay, see, buying model or consumer behavior model, both are same. Have it in mind. Buying behavior model or consumer behavior model, both are same. You got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Both
Yes,
are
sir.
same. Yes. Yes. Okay. Both are same. Buying behavior model and consumer behavior model is same. Okay. But we have two types of models. We have, okay, two types of model. The first type of model is generic, GENERIC, generic model. The second type we have is five-stage model.
Sir, board is not visible, sir, properly.
Is it okay?
No, sir.
For others, everyone facing the same problem. Is it okay now?
No, sir. There is not visible letter, sir.
No proper visible letter. Okay. See, buying behavior model. Okay, BBM. I'm telling. Okay. Is it
சைடில்
okay
தான்
now?
சார் சைடில் தான் சார் தெரியுது. நீங்கள் சைடில் எழுதுறீங்க சார். இப்போ ஓகே சார்.
Okay. So buying behavior model or consumer behavior model, both are same. Okay, have this point in mind. Don't get confused if someone asks what is buying behavior model, what consumer behavior model. Both are same. Okay, but there is slight difference in this model. Okay, we have two types. Is it clear now? So the first type is generic model. Okay, the second type is five stage model. You got the point? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In generic model, here we have got generic, or we can call it as general or basic. Okay. Generic means general or basic, very basic model. In this model, we got three things. Okay. Marketing stimuli. Then we have got bias black box. And third, we got bias response. Okay, is it good? Clear?
சார் 5 மாடல்ல வருமா சார் அது?
In five-stage model, this is slightly different. Generic model is totally different from five-stage model. That is the point I'm coming to convince you. Okay, if generic model is asked, you get only three subheadings: marketing stimuli, bias black box, bias response. Okay, in five-stage model, there only we saw about need recognition. Okay, so once we go for need, what will go? We'll go for information search. We'll go for information search, right? So we go to Google or Amazon or Flipkart, anything, we go and search. Then we do evaluate alternatives. Then we go purchase decision. Whether I'm going to buy or not, I'm going to do. After purchase, what I'll do? Post purchase behavior. Is it clear now? See, need is, do I need to buy a laptop? Do I need to buy a mobile phone? Do I need to buy a webcam? These are my need. I need to recognize my need. Next, I'll go for information, where I can get cheap laptop, where I can get cheap mobile phone, where I can get cheap webcam. After finding it, what is alternative for Samsung mobile? What is the alternative? Okay, iPhone is there. What is the price? What are the features? Vivo is there. What is the price? What are the features? Sony laptop is there. Dell laptop is there. HP laptop is there. What are the benefits? I go for alternatives. Then I'll go for purchase decision. Okay, I will buy Samsung laptop. I will buy Vivo phone. I will buy this particular webcam. Then I'll go post purchase. I will give feedback, or I'll get satisfied. All those things considered to be post purchase decision. Please have it in mind. Five-stage model is very, very important. 10 mark. That is why I predominantly asking this question to most of you in the Viva. You people either don't answer, or you people get confused with this particular question. Okay, generic model is different, five-stage model different. That is why I prepared the notes specifically. Okay, so just have it in mind. Is there any doubt in this topic? This is very, very important topic. Any doubt in the topic?
Sir, could you explain once more generic model, sir?
Okay, generic model I'll explain. Okay, generic model, we got three steps. Generic means general or basic model. Basic model of buying behavior model or consumer behavior model. Okay, this is the basic model in buying behavior. what happens is you get stimuli, you get some stimulus. Okay, majority of you wrote this word stimulus. Okay, plural form is stimulus. Plural means stimulus. Okay, stimulus. MULS. So you just add. So what happens is if something triggers you or pushes you to buy a product, that is called marketing stimuli. Maybe it could be advertisement, maybe it could be offer, maybe it could be some feedback. So together we classify as external or internal. Internal means you may be needing that product to buy. So due to some external factor or internal factor, marketing stimuli occurs. From marketing stimuli, I go for buyer black box. Buyer black box is nothing but buying decision process. I go to shop, see simple. I go to shop, look for all the products, I select one product and I buy it and come back. All this process is known as buyer's black box. This could be also known as decision process. Okay, these are the keywords you can write in your exam paper. Decision process. Okay, then finally, buyer's response. Buyer's response is complete choices. Which shop I bought, which brand I bought, what model I brought, where I brought, in what way I brought. All these things are considered to be buyer's response. I paid in cash, I bought in bulk. All these things regarding time, quality, quantity, all these are considered to be buyer's response. Is it okay? Clear?
Okay, sir. Then generic models are three types. Three types, sir.
Three steps.
Sorry, three steps, sir. First one is stimuli. Second one is buyer black box.
Yes.
Third one is buyer response.
Yes.
Is it, sir?
Yes. Yes. Is it? Yes, it is.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, it's clear, right? So have it
Yes, sir.
in mind, generic model and five-stage model, very, very important. You can write both also, but differentiate the question, what they ask, whether they ask five-stage model or they ask any generic model. If they simply ask, discuss about buying behavior model, you write all the points, you get very lot of content to write, right? 10 marks, you'll at least will get 8 marks. Simply you can score, and you can read one this whole question. You can write, see, you can write what is marketing stimuli, you can write what is need recognition, you can write what is purchase decision. These are 2 marks. This is how you have to prepare for exam. From one whole chapter you extract one question. Okay, don't depend on one particular question and another, just relate and study. That will help you. We are not in a traditional setup, okay, to read and read a lot, discuss a lot. We are in kind of virtual environment, so you have to make a smart move. Okay, am I clear? Is it okay? Second unit is clear, right? Can anyone respond? Just unmute and talk, don't put it in chat. I cannot view the chat box right now.
Sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, second unit, this is very, very important. Okay, so we'll go back to first unit. Okay, there also some confusions are there in first unit. I could identify. Okay, what are the 4 P's?
Price, place, promotion,
And
Product.
product.
okay, okay, you put this in this way. Okay, product, place, price, promotion. That is the order. That will be best order to follow. Okay, what is marketing mix? What is marketing mix?
Same, sir.
See, 4 P's and marketing mix are same. Okay, you people get confused if I ask what is 4P, few people answers. If I ask what is marketing mix, people get confused. So don't get confused that both are same. Okay, the definition may be differ. Okay, Marketing mix is okay. Marketing mix is mixture of these four P's. You got the point, right? Okay. So how you can write if someone asks what is marketing mix? Okay, you can write as the elements which influence buyers to buy a product is known as marketing mix. Those elements are product. What is the next? What is product? What is next? Someone tell. Product
Price.
is
Place.
promotion.
Promotion.
Yes, this is how you have to write this four P's and marketing mix. Okay. All these three is considered to be marketing mix. These are influencing elements: product, place, price, promotion. This four only influence people to buy. See, that is what is given in the definition. Okay, the marketing mix consists of everything the firms can do to influence. This is what I given in the notes. So marketing mix and four P's are same, but there is slight difference of writing it and telling to people. If someone asks what is marketing mix, sir, the proper ratio of four P's is known as marketing mix. Proper ratio of four P's marketing mix. What is four P's? You tell product, place, price, promotion. But if someone asks marketing mix, don't tell it is four P's. You have to tell the correct proposition or correct ratio. That is 1:1:1:1. 1P, 1P, 1P. If 1P is 2, another is 3, another is 5, another is 6, company will not work. Everything should be in one equal ratio. Then only company will work. Is it clear? This also can be 10 mark or 2 mark. You can score easily. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So then we'll come to another important topic. Okay, majority of you missed this. Really, I felt really bad when this question was not answered properly. We discussed a lot. We saw some examples too, but still people couldn't recollect it. Majority know it, but couldn't recollect it. Okay, okay. Marketing environment. Okay, what are the types?
Two types.
Okay, what are the two types?
Micro, sir. Macro, sir.
Okay, we got micro, macro. Okay, okay, fine. If I ask what is marketing environment, what you will tell?
Market environment is physical arrangement of market, sir.
Okay, that is kind of understandable. Okay, what is marketing environment is, okay, the internal factor and the external factor which influences marketing activity. Is it understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so marketing environmental is the internal and external factor that influences marketing activities known as marketing environment. If someone asks what is marketing environment, don't tell micro environment, macro environment. Those are types. Types is different. The definition is different. So don't just speak out. Okay, understand the context. So marketing environment is marketing activities influenced by internal and external. Okay, and I asked one more question to people: what are the elements are found in micro and macro environment? What are those elements? Can anyone tell? In micro environment, we discussed this with a very simple example of a supermarket.
Marketing.
Yes, what is it?
Marketing.
Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, we'll just revise this question. This is also very important 10 mark. Though without knowing this question, don't go to exam. Okay. Okay, in micro environment, we have got customers. Okay, in micro, we have got customers. Next, see, think of internal perspective. ஒரு கம்பெனிக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நம்ம யோசிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? என்னெல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க? கஸ்டமர் இருப்பாங்களா? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் வேற என்ன இருப்பாங்க? எம்ப்ளாயிஸ் இருப்பாங்களா? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் யார் இருப்பா? காம்படிட்டர்ஸ். There will be competitors. Okay. Next, we have got shareholders. Shareholders are okay. Shareholders are people who invest. Then who else will be there? There will be suppliers who give us different products to run the company. Then we got media. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is known as micro environments. Customer, employees, competitors, shareholders, supplier, media. These are all known as micro environments. Okay. Is it clear? Clear for all?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then we got macro environment. Okay. Macro means what?
Big.
Okay. Macro means big. Okay. So in macro, sorry, one second. So in macro, we got political environment. Yesterday, Indian government banned which mobile application?
PUBG, sir. And
Yes.
113 apps.
Okay. PUBG, Ludo, all these games are banned. The company will not never know till day before yesterday. They never know India government is going to ban the product. But political environment. Okay. Next, we got what is that? Economic. Okay. Third, we got social. Okay. Fourth, we got technology. Did anyone know we are going to take classes in Zoom, Google Meet in last semester? Last year in the மாசம் இதே டேட் செப்டம்பர் 3ஆம் தேதி நினைச்சு பார்த்தோமா நமக்கு வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் தான் நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு?
No, sir.
Go and check. Zoom application made 500% profit in last 6 months. Go and read about Zoom in Google. Okay, that will give you how technology can influence the market. Okay, so that is very very important factor, technology. See, I'm giving you examples so you can write it in exam. Just I'm not telling story, but you can write it in exam. Okay, then we have got legal environment. Okay, legal or law. If someone, see, for example, that could be, again we can example of PUBG. If someone is asking to stop it, we have to stop. We cannot run it. Okay. Then we got environment. So if a question asked in 10 mark, what are the environments we have in marketing environment, you have to tell what is first. You have to write the internal external factors which influence marketing activities known as marketing environment. 1 point, you get 1 mark or 2 marks, sure. Then you write types. It is considered to be 2 types: micro environment, macro environment. Then you go to micro environment, you got customers, employees, competitors, shareholders, suppliers, media. Okay, is it okay? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we got macro. In macro, we got political, economical, social, technology, legal, and environment. Very simple. See, for micro, you learn it as C square, S square, EN. See, customer, consumer, shareholder, supplier, employee, media. C square, S square, EM. Simple, right? C square, S square, EM for micro. For macro, same thing. You put it as pestle. Pestle, it is very important. Pestle. Pestle. The word keyword is pestle. Political, economical, social, technology, legal, environment. Pestle factors. You might have read it in POM or strategic management. You should have read it. Pestle. Okay. So pestle is very important, and the C square, S square, EM also very important. So you can just remember it. Okay. If you learn all in this way, you will just remember it. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Then in this question, in this one second, wait. Next, there is one more big confusion there in this first unit. Okay, that I will teach you. Welcome, Monica. We are going to complete the class. You are just joining. See, from next class onwards, please be on time. Okay, for this for everyone. Good. Okay. So we learned about concepts in marketing, right? Yes or no? We learned about concepts, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone knows what are the concepts we studied? Okay. We'll just revise it. Okay. This is also very important 10 mark, and also it has different 2 marks. If you study 10 mark of this particular topic, you can write different 10 marks. Okay. Different 2 marks. Okay. In the marketing concepts, we got two different topics. Okay. One is core marketing concepts. Okay. The another one is marketing philosophies. This we will check, we will study little later. Okay, maybe in the second unit, I will include again this particular topic, so you'll get more understanding of it. Okay, so marketing core concept very simple. I asked majority of the people in the Viva, but none of them answered. Okay, you know what is the first concept? Want.
Need.
What is the first concept?
Want, need, demand.
Yes. Need, want, demand. What else?
Marketing offerings.
Yes, marketing, offerings. Okay. Marketing offerings. Next.
Product or surprise.
Product or service. Product or service. Okay. Next.
Customer value.
Customer value.
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction. Yes, satisfaction. And what else?
Exchange.
Exchange. Okay.
Markets and marketing.
Marketing. Yes, markets and marketing. Raga Steffi. Okay. These are considered to be marketing core concepts, core marketing concepts. Don't confuse with marketing philosophy. That will not look today. Okay, we'll discuss a little later. See, this is very, very important. If a question paper comes with define marketing concepts, if the question asked, just tell various elements which involves in marketing activities known as marketing concept. 2 mark, okay? Simple. What is then we'll have different things, okay? Need. What is need? This very simple 2 mark I asked. None of you wrote properly. Only very few. What is need? Can anyone tell?
Essentials.
Yes. Need is something essential. Okay, something very, very essential is so considered to be need. Then what is want?
Um,
Okay, want is something that we desire. Okay, but need is very essential, but want is not essential. Okay, you can live without want, but you have to live without. You cannot live without need. Can you live without water? Is it possible?
no, sir.
Can you live without drinking Pepsi or 7 Up?
Yes, sir.
See, that is the difference between need and want. And there is demand. Okay, the demand is something, but the ability to buy a product. Okay, it works like that. It may be little tricky to understand. The demand is uh, due to the ability to buy a product. If someone fulfills his need or want, that is known to be demand. Okay, the demand is maybe for water due to summer season. Demand for Pepsi. If I'm able to buy or fulfill my uh, desire or my need or want, considered to be demand. Very simple term I'm telling. The definition is different. If you go to the notes, if you go through, the definition is very different. Okay. Then we got marketing offering. Okay. See, need, want, demand. I know market offering. I am thirsty. That is my need. I need to quench my thirst. So I need a water. My want is water. The demand is clean water. So market offering, Bisleri giving you water bottle, right? To drink water. Okay.
Sir,
Then,
company.
yes, it is a company, Bisleri. Then it could be this Bisleri could be product or service. What is product? What is service? What is product? What is service?
Product means பொருள், sir.
Okay.
Service means how they are providing, sir.
Yes, nice. So we'll put it as if a need or want fulfilled in tangible manner. Tangible not தொடக்கூடியது. Tangible. Tangible manner. That should be called as product. Okay. If need and want delivered in intangible manner, intangible. See, please make all these points very important. இன்டான்ஜிபிள்னா தொட முடியாத ஒரு என்னோட தேவை என்னோட விருப்பத்தை தொட முடியாத வகையில கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா இன்டான்ஜிபிள், தொடக்கூடிய வகையில கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா டான்ஜிபிள். டான்ஜிபிள் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ப்ராடக்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இன்டான்ஜிபிள் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? சர்வீஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். செல்போன் அப்படின்றத வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? ப்ராடக்ட். டான்ஜிபிள், தொட முடியும்ல செல்போனு. See, I can touch my cell phone, right? Can I? இதுக்கு வந்து நல்ல இன்டர்நெட் பேக் வேணும், கரெக்டா? இப்போ வந்து எனக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நெட் டவர் இல்ல, ஸோ ஐ கேன் யூஸ் மை இன்டர்நெட். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் தட்? ஐ கேனாட் see the tower, right? சிக்னல் யாருன்னா கண்ணால பார்க்க முடியுமா? நம்மளால தொட முடியுமா சிக்னலை? மொபைல் சிக்னலை தொட முடியுமா?
No, sir.
See, that is intangible. That is called as service. If someone asks what is product, if a customer or a buyer's need and want fulfilled in a tangible manner known as product. Nobody told this answer in the Viva. Simple question. What is product? Then service. What is service? Service is if I fulfill a customer's need and want in an intangible way, or maybe tangible, that there should be some services are intangible. Okay, that will be called as service. Simple. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts?
Sir,
Any? Yes.
marketing psychology. I didn't understand, sir.
Marketing psychology நம்ம அது பார்க்கவே இல்லையே பாத்துல. We didn't see the topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So then we have got customer value. See, if you give good product and service, customer will be happy, right? They will be happy, right? Okay. So from that customer value, we will get satisfaction. In satisfaction, what they will do? They will buy more. Exchange. I will give money, I will get the product. I give money, I get the service. So what happens? People give me, I deliver them. So they give, I deliver. They gain some benefit, they gain some satisfaction, I gain profit or loss. If I don't get satisfaction, they will not come and buy, so I will go for loss. This is called exchange. Markets. See, markets and marketing is different. Okay, markets are places where we sell. Marketing is activities related with selling. These are considered to be core marketing concepts. See, these 4 questions, everyone, is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, any doubts in this? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So just make a note of it. In the first unit, core marketing concepts, marketing mix, marketing environment. These 3 questions everyone should know. Everyone should know. There are different 2 marks, we can just write it when we learn these 3 questions. This is in first unit. In second unit, we have to know buying behavior model. What is the other name for buying behavior model?
Consumer behaving model.
Okay. Honest. What are the 2 types we have got in buying behavior model? Generic and 5 stage. Okay, so I want each and every one of you learn this 5 questions. First unit we got 3, in the second unit we got 2. So 5 questions I want everyone to prepare well. I already gave all the questions which I said for your internal, that means your first CA exam. So I already distributed the question paper to you in the group. If possible, I will add it in Moodle as well. So take all the questions, okay? Read it, get the answer from the material, okay? Don't just take a Google search and don't paste it, guys. I could see people, even after so much of instruction, people did it. Okay, it is for your benefit only. You can read some are very generous and very open to they just wrote I don't know sir. That is very honest thing, right? That is very good thing. You can learn. That is very important. So don't bluff yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Okay. Uh, so is it clear? These five questions we people clear, right? Are we clear in these five questions?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Abhi, Francis Diana, Monica, Praveen Rajesh. Any doubts? Santosh. We got Santosh Franklin too today. Okay. Sherlyn, any doubts? Surya, any doubts? Tirumalai, any doubts? Tirumalai, I
No,
think.
sir. No, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Okay, good. Okay,
No doubt, sir.
okay, good. Okay. So, I think from next week onwards, I'm asking one question. PPT is good or this kind of teaching is good?
Sir, explain board ல explain பண்ணிக்க நல்லா இருக்கு sir.
Is it okay for all?
Sir, இதே okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I will also have a presentation and I also will have this board, okay, from next class onwards. Okay, is it okay? So
Okay, sir.
I hope in the next CA exam everyone going to perform well. Is it true?
Sir, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Tavin. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and make sure start using your official Gmail ID. If once the Moodle problem is rectified, I will put the question paper again in the Moodle, and I think I once all the papers are settled, we'll distribute the marks. Okay, so you can just have a look. Don't feel bad if you get low mark or if you are unable to score a pass mark. Don't worry. Lot more to go. I could understand how people are studying, and so that is why I also changed the way of teaching you. Okay, any doubts, anything to be clarified, you just ask now and there from today onwards. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all. Yes, Yarpa. Yes.
Then before class, what we are topics are finished, sir, in slide.
In the topics we completed first unit completely, all these topics. Into second unit we have completed till buying behavior model. As per the syllabus, first unit completely we have done. The second unit we have completed half unit, that is still buying behavior model. We have done it. These are in the slides.
Okay, sir. Which are the topics are completed, sir, already? We need slides, sir. What you are take during that time?
It is there in the Moodle. It is everything there in the Moodle. It is available.
Slide also, sir.
Everything is there. See, if you access Moodle, once again, I can share you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think the website is still down. Oh, yes, it's there. It's coming. Is my screen visible?
Visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. See, it's very slow. That's the reason. Shall we check it in some other class? Because it's too slow. We cannot load it now.
So,
Is it okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will put the material once again in the Google Classroom. Okay. You can access it in, or you can see
Sir, what is comfortable, sir?
WhatsApp. Okay. Either you can do this. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Go to this website, Valan Peter. com. You see, it's not yet ready. I am working on it side by side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Maybe put slash DBC. So go to collect. You just click the collective growth. See, it's a little tricky. I'm telling you. Just touch any blue here. Teaching. You just know. Okay. Just the collective growth. You just click the collective growth. Go to DBCY. Okay. Go to DBCY. See, you find Department of Management Studies, right? See, if you click get presentation, your presentation for first unit you will get.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, is it
What is the
clear?
website, sir?
Is it valenpeter.com/dbc Elegary? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Since Moodle was not working that day, I made it this available, so I can put it
Okay,
in
sir.
chat box.
Could you share your website in WhatsApp group, sir?
Yes, I will. I will share it. Okay, I will put it
Okay.
here. Any doubts? Any doubts here?
No doubt.
Okay. Anything else, guys? Shall we wind up? It's already an hour. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. The next class, that means coming Monday, we will discuss on target segmentation and other related topics. So have a look about it. What is target market segmentation? What is target marketing? All those things. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.